Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Excel lines bold. First, select the cells where you want to apply the bold lines. Then, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Font group, click the Borders drop-down arrow. From the options, choose a thicker line style, such as Thick Box Border or More Borders to customize. This quickly adds a prominent border to your selected area. For more control, right-click your selected cells and choose Format Cells. In the dialog box, navigate to the Border tab. Here, you can pick specific line styles, colors, and even apply borders to individual sides of a cell or range. This method offers precise customization, allowing you to create exactly the look you need for your data presentation. It's perfect for detailed formatting. Excel also provides drawing tools for borders. Go to the Home tab, click the Borders drop-down, and select Draw Border or Draw Border Grid. Your cursor will turn into a pen. You can then click and drag to draw bold lines exactly where you want them. If you make a mistake, simply select Erase Border from the same menu to remove any lines. This is great for custom layouts. Finally, for dynamic bold lines, consider using conditional formatting. Select your data, go to the Home tab, and click Conditional Formatting. Choose New Rule and then use a formula to determine which cells to format. Set your condition, and in the formatting options, select a thick border. This way, your lines will automatically become bold when your data meets specific criteria, keeping your spreadsheet organized and visually clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.